The mission of the Happy Pig is to raise pasture pigs for food pantries. All our pigs will be raised on a pasture, and they will be used for local food banks and food pantries. Our mission is to provide fresh, quality protein for local food shelters and pantries, raising pigs in a humane manner. 100% of our livestock will be donated to local suppliers of food for those in need. Our pigs will be free to roam, no concrete or stanchions, while they root for natural pig delicacies while being supplied with quality feeds. This effort is not subsidized by any government monies, nor providing tax write-offs or deductions. Our goal is to maintain a herd of approximately 60 swine and provide thousands of pounds of protein monthly to those needing food supplies. You can help the Happy Pig with our 2 participating plans. 1. Feed a pig and have it donated to the pantry of your choice. $175 will grow your hog. We will give you instructions to pay for the feed mill for your hog's feed. The hog must be donated to an approved charity, not for private consumption. 2. You can raise a hog. If you have a good environment and desire to raise a pig, we will provide you with the feeder pig and feed, again, provided that the finished pig is donated to a charity. Email your inquiry to FoodPantryPig@gmail.com. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm of Fountainville, PA in Bucks County. Mention the Happy Pig at the time of purchase of trees and shrubs at Highland Hill Farm, and we will donate 10% of the proceeds to the Happy Pig. Thank you. Call us at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329 for more information.